In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Duckduckgo browser in Windows. By the end, you'll have the Duckduckgo browser installed on your Windows PC, set up with your preferences and ready to browse securely. First, open any web browser you already have on your computer. In the address bar, type duckduckgo.com/app and press Enter to go straight to the official download page. On the Duckduckgo apps page, look for the button labeled Download for Windows and click it. This starts downloading the Windows installer from the official site. Now, wait for the installer to finish downloading. You'll see the progress in your browser's download bar or in the Download section. Keep the browser open until the download completes to avoid interruptions. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded.exe file. If your browser shows the file at the bottom or top of the window, click it there. If you're viewing your files, you'll also find it in your Downloads folder. Opening the .exe will launch the Duckduckgo browser setup window. In the setup window, click Install. This begins the installation process and copies the necessary files to your computer. You don't need to change anything else here for a standard install. Next, wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a progress bar in the installer. This may take a moment depending on your system. Keep the window open until you see the completion screen. When the installer indicates it's done, click Finish. The installer will close, and at this point the Duckduckgo browser is installed on your system. Now, open the Duckduckgo browser from your desktop or the Start menu. If there's a desktop shortcut, double-click it. Otherwise, click the Start button, type DuckDuckGo, and select Duckduckgo browser from the results. When the browser opens for the first time, set up your preferences. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose options like your theme, privacy settings, and any basic startup choices. Take a moment to read each screen so you select what you want. If you're unsure, the default settings are a safe place to start, and you can change them later in settings. At this point, start browsing securely. In the address bar at the top, type the website or search you want, then press Enter. You're now using the Duckduckgo browser on Windows with your preferences in place. Your download, installation, and setup are complete, and the Duckduckgo browser is ready and working on your Windows PC. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.